Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and use KiloCode on Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just put any browser and in the browser search for KiloCode, press enter, and here you can see kilo.ai. So we need to go to this link, and once you come here you will see this option get started with Kilo. So I'm going to click here. So here you can see it will show you three options: install Kilo, cloud, and app builder. So we are going to choose the first option, install Kilo. So we are going to click here. Then it will show us three options: VS Code, JetBeans, and CLI. So we are going to choose the CLI. And one more thing, that is, once you click CLI, it will give you this command, and we need to run this command to install Kilo code. But before that, you need to make sure that you have Node.js is installed in your system. So in order to check whether you have Node.js installed or not, you need to go to your Windows search option, right here CMD, here you can see command prompt, and if you just say here node dash dash version, then press enter. If you see any version, it means Node.js is installed in your system. And if you do not see any version, then what you need to do is that you need to go to another browser and search for Node.js. Go to nodejs.org and click on download, and from here you can easily download and install Node.js. So installing Node.js is really simple, and once you install Node.js, it will automatically install npm as well. So once you have Node.js installed, it means you are ready to install KiloCode. So right now I am going to copy this command. Let me just open a fresh command prompt. So I'm going to say here CMD. Here you can see command prompt, and I'm going to paste the command, then press enter. And it will take a few seconds to install, and there you can see installation is done. So right now, in order to go to the KiloCode CLI, we need to say here KiloCode, then press enter, and it will show you an interface like this. So let me just close this and let me just create a project, simple project. Let me create a project over here. So I'm going to click new folder. Folder name will be kilo dash project. Let's go inside, and I'm going to say here CMD. And here, in order to open the KiloCode CLI, we need to say here KiloCode, then press enter. So this command will open the KiloCode CLI since KiloCode is globally installed in our system. So right now here you can see code mode. If I now press on tab, it will go to our debug, orchestrator, arts mode, then code mode. So here you can see this is the model. This model is completely free. If you want to see other free models, you just need to say over here /models. Press enter. It will show you all the other free model and paid model over here as well. So Minimax is the best model, and after that GLM5 is best. Okay, you can just check all the models by yourself, but I'm going to choose this model, and let's just make a simple design. Let's say here, make me a solar system animation using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's see what it does. I'm going to press enter. So I want to make a solar system animation using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So using this model, KiloCode will create some folder or files over here and write code for us. So this will take some time. Right now, I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see it is done, and it took around 3 minutes 4 seconds, and it also created a HTML file. So let's just double click on this HTML file, and there you can see it created a beautiful solar system animation. Here you can see Jupiter. Okay, it actually did more than needed. Let me just speed it up. I guess we can also speed it up as well. There is a pause option here. So yeah, overall, this is really great. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.